paper stars. Cool little fun origamis, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make them. Just brush these aside, and here's the paper. You need a strip of paper that's 1 centimeter thick. You want it to be like this. So this paper right here. So what you want to do is you want to take it like this. You want to loop it around like that, make a knot with it. Take this part, you want to put it through that, and then tighten it, right, like this. After you do this, you want to like flatten it out a bit. Make sure you have like a pentagon shape right there. You flip it over, take this. You want to make sure it goes through there. If you want to cut off some of this, you can. What I do is I would just fold it like this, and then fold it so it's like that right there. Then take it, you put it through in there. Come on, get in there. Then you pull this, make sure it's tight like this. Then you take this